Isabel, what's in there? Put your hand in, have a look.
Ooh.
What is it, Isabel?
Ooh. Oh, what is it?
Oh, it's a book. Does it make any noises? Does it make a noise? What does that do?
Ooh.
Clever girl, doing it yourself. Isabel, say thank you, Julie. Thank you very much.